Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out this beautiful 1967 Fairlane GTA.
Yeah, I love this car, Dalton.
Yeah, really rare car as optioned as well. We'll have the Marty report, we'll throw that up in here too, but rare color combination, but the quality of this car is what makes me fall in love with it.
Just check out the front grille and bumpers. This is a great combination of original and just a light restore as far as on one repaint. But as far as the rest of it goes, it's just in fantastic condition.
Yeah.
Just the sound
Yeah.
of that click and open.
And just the quality under the hood. That 390 in there, all the correct stickers, air breather, and good options too. You got power brakes, power steering.
Yeah, it really does.
Paint on the bottom side of the hood's beautiful. We couldn't have asked for a better day to do about 6 videos. It's beautiful outside. This car looks great.
Look at the paint quality on the inner fenders and the power steering pump and just the whole car in general. If you go to our website also, make sure you look at the undercarriage of this one. The floors, frame rails, torque boxes are 100% original and perfect. You're just not going to find a solider, real deal GTA.
Here, I'll fire it up quick. You can hear it run.
It'd be great.
It's been a while since we've done these videos outside, so we're just trying to remember how to do them out here.
How's it feel in there, Big D?
I love the interior on this thing. It's just fantastic.
You're right about the outside videos. I missed them, but finally winter is done here in Iowa. It's springtime, baby, and there is some sun, huh?
Yeah. This car is beautiful. I love the redline tires with the style steel wheels. Just gorgeous on this car. What did they? Do you remember what they called this factory color?
Yeah, I do. It was Pebble Beige.
Yep.
Was that like a quiz question or what?
No, I didn't know, but I was just acting like I knew after you said the answer.
The back shelf is gorgeous. As we look over top of the roof, the stainless, the trim.
One of the only imperfections I've noticed is there's a small little like scratch or paint crack right there. It's about the only thing I've noticed going around this beauty.
I'm gonna pop the trunk on it.
Yeah.
As far as the taillight chrome and tail lights, bumper, trim is all in great shape. The trunk lid lines up really nice all the way around. Being a rust-free original car, as far as I can tell, the gaps and stuff are great on it. (205/70/15) Michelin matching wheel. Original paint in here in the trunk. Original matte still. Isn't that cool?
Like you said, it's a beautiful mix of originality with beautiful restore.
Yeah.
That's important. They started with a really solid quality base.
I'm with you, D. I love the red lines. They are radials, which is nice.
Check out the interior. It's my favorite part. We're just going to kind of skip to it, but the buckets are beautiful on it. Dash is gorgeous. All the interior lights work. Even the lights in the door panels. How often do you see that with them ambient lights working in the door panels?
Wow. One word comes to mind on this one. I have to agree with you, and it's just quality.
Yep. And I also like how they left the original steering wheel, you know, just kind of accent, you know, this car's left a little bit of the car's history in there with the beautifully restored interior.
Yeah. The chrome on the dash and lenses are beautiful. Factory radio delete, which is pretty neat, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It is.
All the lights in here work.
Even the lights in the shifter. When I move this thing around, all the shifter lights light up.
It's got the starting instructions there as well. Factory. Headliner's mint. Back seat is excellent.
Super rare Ford is optioned with the 390 GTA, rare color combination, radio delete, pretty neat.
Yeah, power steering, power brakes, but radio delete. That's kind of weird.
You don't need a radio when you got a big block Ford. You can just hear that thing.
Yeah. I'm with you. I mean, this beige color, especially with the stance and the red lines, it's good looking.
Yeah, here it's beautiful. Really classy. It's just a classy car all the way around.
I mentioned earlier, just the gaps. The back of the hood lines up just perfect. All our door gaps seem to be in great shape. Bottom of the door fits in here to the quarter. Just kind of a sneak peek of the undercarriage. You see its original paint under there. Again, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, for a full view, probably 25 photos.
The undercarriage was really impressive on this thing.
Well, to me, that's the most important part. You can spend as much money as you want restoring a car, but if you start with a piece of crap, you still end up with what, Dalt?
A piece of crap.
Yep. Breathtaking interior.
Yeah, I love it. I love the console too with the little GT emblem up there. Awfully nice.
The store light works as well.
If someone just wants a car they can park in their garage, wax, you know, jump in, know it's going to be reliable, that's what this is. You know, we need some car shows with it, but also just have a ball and enjoy driving it.
Should we roll the windows up and we'll take it for a quick spin?
Sounds good.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Oh,
perfect.
wow. You're kidding me. Look at this. I mean, just absolutely effortless. And that's what you get when you get a really nice original car, is everything just works as it should.
Looks like all the felts in that were replaced as well.
They did add the aftermarket tack. It comes right off if you don't like it.
I love these cars because there's so much more room in them than you'd get in like a Mustang. Original owner's manual.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Very neat.
And I do know there is some receipts and stuff for the restoration, so that'll come with it. Really starts easy, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Heater fan works good.
Horn work there.
Wipers work nice. I love the 390 louvers.
Yeah, I do too.
The park and shift indicator is super tight as well.
Yeah, and then when the lights work in there as well.
The tack, we need to just take the tack off. It's not hooked up anyway. I don't know why it's on there, but we'll definitely make sure we get rid of that if you want us to.
Yep.
The console lid is in great shape.
Yeah, I like this one a lot. Headline is perfect.
You mentioned it earlier. I mean, it's just what a cruiser,
Yeah.
you know? But it's got the big block and the class.
I don't know about you, but the seats feel like they definitely had new foam in them. They're super comfortable.
It's very nice, isn't it?
This car's comfortable enough where if you buy it and your wife kicks you out, you can sleep in this thing.
And that 390 has a ton of torque.
Yeah, it does.
Here's our brakes, absolutely perfect. Thank heavens, because there's a semi going about 90. The brakes are perfect, no pull left or right. The steering wheel is nice and lined up. Gas gauge works as well. Turn signal indicators work both sides.
All kinds of traffic stuff.
Traffic.
As you squeals the tires.
Whoa!
Wait a second. Hell yeah.
What a transmission behind this thing too, huh?
This is the best of both worlds.
It is. So a lot of the big block Fords, I don't know why, but the C6s and the FMXs a lot of times for me just seem kind of sluggish, kind of just slip, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This one's built awesome. I mean,
Yeah,
ripped the tires loose in second, had a really nice firm shift in third as well.
Kick down works.
We always say that.
I know.
It's a bad habit. Look at this thing, man.
from going around a curve. Thank God you grabbed the steering wheel. But this thing is, front end's tight, straight as a string.
No goofy vibrations, goes down the road, awesome. If you're looking for just a show quality, rare car, when I say rare, I mean there's a lot of Chevelles out there, but us the Ford lovers, I mean 66, 67 Fairlanes, you know, they're not a dime a dozen.
No,
they're not like a Mustang, man. Especially then you add a 390, numbers matching 390 to it.
And a rare color combination.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comments section of the video. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.